it the other way, okay? It totally works. If we look at these and treat them as a single triangle, you could just say, without even, I'm gonna write it down, but you don't have to, okay? You could say on your calculator 180 minus the first angle minus the second angle would give you the third angle, okay? And that would kind of save you a heck of a lot of steps, so you're not having to solve those ones 3 different times. So if you could figure that part out, like kind of in your head, you would be able to know that this one, so on your calculator, you could just type in 180 minus 70 minus 43. So this one's gonna be 67.
So triangle is facing up, then we just do that.
Huh?
So why did exactly we do that?
It's just a shortcut, is what I'm saying.
It's a shortcut.
Instead of writing, because this is equivalent to saying 70 plus 43 plus x equals 180. Okay, because then you got to combine your like terms, subtract. It's a shortcut to say 180 minus the other 2 angles will give you the third angle.
Alright.
Okay, and you could do it on this one too, because you know if this one's 67, this one's got to be 67. So if you were to just do it on your calculator, how would you have to write this for the second one? 180 minus, for this one,
Minus 67 minus 37.
yeah,
32,
180 minus 67 minus 32 would give me 81, so the second angle would be 81. Okay, and so if you're like, gosh dang, this is really tedious, it is. It's kind of reversing the work a little bit, okay? Because these are equivalent. It is equivalent to say 180 minus the other 2 angles will give you the third angle, or 2 angles plus the unknown equals 180. These are totally the same, and it's a lot less work. Does that make sense?
It's also very confusing.
I know, you can do it whatever way you want to do it, but I wanted to give some of you guys that option because this class is so versatile that if you want to skip some steps, I'm totally okay with that. Okay? Yes, dear.
Are we going to do number 6?
I want you to cross off number 6.
Okay.
So,
Wait, does that go for me too? Because I'm
Yeah.
so confused.
Yeah, you're fine.
Sammy, for number 6, you're going to use example 3. This is the only one you're going to use example 3 for.
Okay, she said to cross it off though.
Oh, cross it off. Okay, yep. So just don't worry about it then. Sorry, I didn't hear.
Okay, she said slightly confusedly, but okay.
Sammy, you don't need to worry about any of that right now about crossing stuff off, because I will give you whatever you need to do when it's that time, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just really confused.
You're fine. I was just trying to show them a little bit of a shortcut way. Okay, so look at number 5.
Okay, this is... Oh boy. You said look at number 5, right?
Okay, so number 5, our first triangle is going to be which one? Which one are we going to solve for first?
purple one.
The purple one, or the one with the 2 angles already solved. Okay? Now, there are 2 ways to solve it. I showed you the shortcut way or the long way. It does not matter to me. Okay? I'm going to do it the long way just because. Okay? So, and I really am going to solve for 3 angles. It's going to be 1, 2, and 3. And that's the order that we're going to solve them. 1, 2, then 3. Okay? Or U1, U2, and X. Okay? So, if we look at the first triangle, okay, it's going to be 40 plus 80 plus X equals 180. Okay? Or for those of you guys trying to do a shortcut, you would just say 180 minus 40 minus 80. And that's going to give you that first angle. Okay?
So it doesn't matter if you want to use a shortcut or not?
No, it does not matter to me. It's going to save you a lot of writing for you to do the shortcut, but if you prefer the long way, totally do it.
Alright.
Okay, so we're gonna combine our like terms just like what we've been doing. So 120 plus x equals 180. Okay, and then I'm gonna subtract 120 from both sides.
So confused.
All right, 180 minus 120 is gonna be 60. Okay, so this first angle, this U1, I got 60. Okay, and if you did it the shortcut way, okay, you would have 180 minus 60 minus 40, and you should have also got 60. Okay, so I wrote it both ways. Now, we're ready to solve for the second angle. Okay, so we could take this one plus this one plus this one, and they should all equal what? What's a straight line equal?
180.
180, okay? So I could set it up to say 60 plus 60 plus my U2, okay, or my second angle, and we call it x equals 180. Okay, we need to combine our like terms. It's going to be 120 plus x equals 180. Okay, so I got 120 plus U2 equals 180.
We have to minus 120 again?
Minus 120 from both sides. So 180 minus 120 is going to give me 60. Okay, so what
So
equals
both of
60?
them are going to be 60. 60 equals 6. U2 equals.
U2 equals 60. Okay, or angle 2. Okay, so that means that this one
60.
is going to be 60. Okay, and if you were to do it the shorter cut way, okay, it would be 180 minus 60 minus 60, and I'm going to give me 60. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. This is type way 2, and it saves you a lot less work. Okay, now we're ready to solve for the third angle, or the x in your case, Sammy. Okay, with triangle 2. Okay, so we got 50 plus 60 plus x equals 180. We're going to combine our like terms to give me 110 plus x equals 180.
Minus both sides.
Minus 110 on both sides. So I got x equals 70.
70.
Yeah, and if you were to do it the shorter cut way, okay, same thing. We got 180 minus 50 minus 60. It's going to be 70. Okay, so I could fill this in. Does that make sense? Yes? No?
Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm just trying to not be confused.
You're fine. There's no reason. Me and you are going to work together, so it's no big deal.
Well, you, me, and Miss Williams.
Yep. Trevor, how you doing?
Good.
Jared? Mario?
What?
How you doing?
Yo, what's up?
Jared?
Weird. That's weird.
What's weird?
Just this whole entire thing.
Are you awake?
Huh?
Are you awake?
Yes.
Are you doing it?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to submit me these examples on your sheet today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You better.
If I don't forget.
No, don't even start. I'm going to come to your house after school. Mario? Good? No.
I'm good.
Okay. Hannah?
I'm good.
Okay, I would like you all to do number. Look at number 12.
Oh, me too.
No, me and you are gonna do 13, Sammy.
Okay, let me just get there.
Okay. You, Trevor, Mario, Jared, and Hannah start on number 12, and I'm going to do it on the board in just a minute.
The heck?
What do you mean, what the heck?
I hear it. Oh, wait, that's a 90 right there. Never mind.
There you go. Okay, so don't listen to me and Sammy, or turn me on mute for a second. I'll wave at you when I'm ready. Okay, Sammy, look at Sammy, look at 13, and it's gonna be type number 2 for you.
Okay, number 13. Oh, I'm still at 12. Okay, here we are.
Okay.